Okay, you guys, part 2 now. We need to do the beard. All right, so let's come in a little closer for the beard. There we go. All right, so how you do the beard is, this is what I do. You can do so many different things. If you find another thing you think would make a great beard at your house or in your craft room, in your stash, use that. This was a whole skein of yarn of that very textury yarn. I personally don't like, I knit, but I personally don't like knitting with this stuff. But for doll hair, for beards, all that, I love it. So I had a big skein of this, but I've used all this on a bunch of dolls I've made, and then I've been making a lot of trolls. But, so I need to go get more of this color. I think it's a homespun, and you get it at Michael's and Joann's both have it, but I think Joann's has it mostly. So, anyway, it's that crinkly type of a yarn. So, let me just show you. It's not totally cheap, so you, I mean, unless it's on sale, it's like $7 or $8 a skein. So, use a coupon so you only spend 3 or 4. And then you'll have it. You'll have a ton of it. And you'll make tons of gnomes, trolls, or whatever with it. So, what you want to do is you want to cut your piece off long enough. Like, I always just test it like this. And then decide how long you want your mustache, or your beard, how long you want it, okay? So kind of test it before, and then you can use that one, that piece of yarn to do your length. So I've already pre-done that. Also, another thing that you need to do is, I have this wire brush that I got at some garage sale. I don't know what the hell you would use this thing for. This thing is sharp. Anyway, and you brush your yarn. So it looks kind of, so that it fills it out, so that it looks like a beard, okay? And I've already done this pretty much, so we're pretty good. Let me just get this center part done. I didn't do this center part. You could use a brush, you could use a comb, probably a brush from the Dollar Tree, along with a lot of bristles. Get one of those and dedicate it to making your gnomes. Add that to your list. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to put our beard on. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to put glue on this side and this side. And then put a little bit of glue on this side. And then I divide my yarn in half, like that, and just go right up to the sides of the nose, and hold that in. For a minute. And then, what's going to happen is, there's going to be some loose yarns right here that aren't going to catch the glue, so I do a second right underneath the nose, and then hold that down. And I usually use this for this part. Okay, never mind. I'm going to use my finger because it's okay. Okay, and then that usually catches all the yarn, both layers, deep. Let's see if it catches everything. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so then what I do is, like, it's, you know, it's like this on both sides. I take some more hot glue and I put it right on the center. Oh, you know what sucks is that that's going to be all covered up with the beard. You know, the cute little kiss thing. Oh, well. Okay, and then I bring them together like this, because this now brings your mustache together. Or your beard. I keep saying mustache. Well, it is kind of a mustache and a beard. It is a mustache, and it's also a beard. Okay, look how flippin' adorable these are. Let me just trim up the, if you're going to trim up your beard at all, I would cut not straight across, but cut into it like this. That way you don't end up with straight line, and you don't ruin your fuzziness. And kind of fluff it back out. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love these. These gnomes slash trolls make me so happy. Okay, let me come out a little bit so I can show you guys. Look how adorable. I'm trying to come out enough so you guys can see it. Okay. Isn't he so cute? Oh my gosh. I'm going to come up close so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, so adorable. I absolutely love making these. They are so cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to line up my gnomes here. Like I said, have a pencil and paper out. If not, go back to the video. Write down your list of things you need to get. And some things you probably just already have in your craft room. And get your stuff and start making these gnomes, you guys. You have to make some Valentine's gnomes. They make great Christmas gifts. They make great Christmas gifts. They make Christmas gifts. What the heck am I talking about Christmas? Valentine's gifts. They are great to decorate your house. I just absolutely love them. So I guess that's it, you guys. I hope you guys like these. I hope I inspired you to make some gnomes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. If you can give this video a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure you hit that bell so that you get notified whenever I upload. Come visit me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll have those links below. Make sure you guys go see Pam's Life. She has a video. She did some Christmas gnomes. They were adorable. She has other, she does other great DIYs and great Dollar Trees and other hauls. So that is it, you guys, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!